Okay, in this module, we will talk about mechanical energy. So a while ago, I mentioned, or we had a problem on potential energy, di ba? Nakuha natin the same value between work and PE doon sa cart na tinataas natin doon sa incline. Why is that? So when the work is done upon the object, that object actually gains energy. So for example, in this first picture, the dumbbell gains energy. Bakit siya na-gain energy? Kasi work is done on that dumbbell. Saan nagmula yung work on that dumbbell? So it was done by a gym goer, for example. So essentially, itong gym goer ang nagbigay sa kanya ng energy noong tinaas niya, di ba? For example, yung dumbbell. Saan naman kumuha ng energy itong gym goer? Sa pagkain niya, di ba? So you must have heard of it. Energy is neither created nor destroyed, di ba? But only transferred from one form to another. So yung chemical energy from the food that's processed by the body of the gym goer, through that, kaya niya mag-raise ng mga weights, di ba? Ng mga dumbbell, which is what happened. So he was able to apply it work on the dumbbell. Now, the dumbbell is raised a certain height from the ground. So that means the dumbbell now has potential energy dahil binigyan mo siya ng work, di ba? In return, dahil may energy na yung dumbbell din, meron na naman siya ngayong ability to do work as well. Next one. So again, you have an archer. So chemical energy from the food, ginamit niya in order to pull the string of the bow. Dahil ginawa niya yon, he imparted or he transferred from himself to the bowstring elastic potential energy. Yung string naman will transfer the energy to the arrow, di ba? It will do work on the arrow. Yung arrow lilipad na yan papunta sa target, gumagalaw. So may kinetic energy na yung arrow. Next one. Syempre hindi lang tao, meron mga machine, di ba? Demolition machine. Saan manggagaling yung energy ng machine? Sa fuel, di ba? Chemical energy din yun. Fuel, gasoline, for example. That's why it's able to do work on the wrecking ball. It's able to raise the wrecking ball from the ground. Tataas niya, di ba? Swing niya para sa building. Para magkaroon ng GPE, yung demolition ball. Then, the ball can now do work on the building or destroy the building. So the energy acquired by the object upon which work is done is known as mechanical energy. Wala ka naman minention, sir, na mechanical energy dun sa mga sinabi mong cases. Actually, mechanical energy can be in the form of potential and or kinetic energy. Okay? Itong wrecking ball, meron siyang gravitational potential energy. Diba? Nung niraise mo siya at a certain height. Once na nag-swing na siya o gumagalaw na siya, yung potential mo nagiging at the same time, meron kang kinetic energy. Kasi nakataas pa rin siya, diba? So that means meron pa rin siyang potential energy. PE plus KE was able to do work on the building. Okay, this one. Yung hammer. Ipukpok mo. So meron kang kinetic energy. It's able to do work on the nail. Kaya niyang palubugin yung nail on the wood. The bowling ball, diba? Pag tinira mo siya, gugulong siya, kinetic energy. It's able to displace the pins. An object that possesses mechanical energy is able to do work. Diba? Energy is ability to do work. Kaya pala, sir, ganun yung definition nun. Renewable energy tayo. Mechanical energy in wind farms. Siguro nakita na kayo dito, no? Maybe you had a field trip and you saw wind turbines. So, ano yung gumagalaw? Ano yung nagpapagalaw rather sa mga blades? Siyempre yung hangin, di ba? So, air particles are moving. Therefore, they have kinetic energy or mechanical energy in the form of KE. So, pag humahampas siya, mabilis na humahampas sa mga blade, napapaikot niya yung blades, di ba? That's where the magic happens. Kasi pag ikot ng blade, nakaduktong yun sa isang parang generator. And then, the movement of the turbines, the blades and then was able to move the turbines, ma-harvest mo yung movement, yung kinetic energy. You can transform that into electrical energy. Okay? As the blade spins, their energy is subsequently converted into electrical energy through the generator nga, di ba? And supplied to homes and industries in order to run electrical appliances. What's the formula? O yun nga, you just add the PE and the KE. Remember, PE, pwede siyang gravitational or spring. But we will just focus on this one and this one actually. Remember, it's always constant or it's always conserved. Yung total mechanical energy or TME. For example, you have a skier. Nagsimula siya dun sa taas, nag-slide siya. Merong parang rampa doon. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng projectile motion hanggang bumaba siya. So, at this point, he's elevated at a height of 100 meters. Nakastop siya. So, 0 velocity. 0 KE yun. Pero malaki yung PE niya. Ang taas ba naman niya? 100 meters. Pag nag-slide siya, bumababa siya. So, ibig sabihin, nababawasan siya ng height relative to the ground. Hanggang nakarating na siya dito, 30 meters from the ground na lang siya. You can see that malaki yung binawas sa PE. Pero malaki na dagdag sa sa KE, di ba? Kasi habang nag-slide siya dyan, pabilis. Yung speed niya nga, di ba, ang magbibigay sa kanya ng vuelo para maakyat niya yung rampa. At the maximum height of the projectile, 60 meters. Medyo lumaki ulit yung PE. Yung KE medyo, di ba, pag pataas, kontra sa gravity. So, bumabagal ka habang pataas. And then, pag bababa ka, bilis mo na naman. Pero, you are reaching the zero height position. So, ang PE mo doon ay 0, and then ang KE mo ay 50 joules. 50,000 joules, rather. Take note that KE and PE, or the TME, kasi ipa-plus mo yun, di ba, is always equal to 50,000 joules. This one, 0 plus 50,000, 20 plus 30, 35 plus 15,000, and so on. So your energy is conserved here. We will talk more about this on next week's module, or module number 4. Okay, finally, I will talk about power on the last one. See you there.